A successful presentation isn't just about what you say, it's about how you connect, how you structure your message, and the confidence you bring to the room. This one-day successful presentations course is designed to help you deliver presentations that are clear, compelling, and genuinely memorable. Throughout the day, you'll explore the foundations of great presenting, from first impressions and body language to voice, presence, and being your natural self. You'll learn how to focus on your audience's real needs, understand the difference between features and benefits, and shape your message so it lands with impact. The course is highly practical. You'll design and deliver your own short presentation, receive constructive feedback, and refine your approach using proven techniques for opening, structuring, and closing effectively. You'll also learn how to read an audience, adapt your style, and importantly, return to the workplace with a well-practiced presentation you can use immediately. By the end of the program, you'll feel more confident, more composed, and better equipped to deliver presentations that inform, influence, and inspire. Available throughout the UK, it qualifies for 5.5 hours of CPD. For any queries, please email info@ptp.co.uk.